Hello, this is Manoj from Lemon Soda, your friendly chef, and this channel is for foodies. It's Christmas week. Who doesn't craves for a cake? Today we have a chef here who's gonna do us a delicious yummy plum cake. Let's hear from him. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click subscribe and click bell icon for all the notifications.
Hey, this is Vikash Verma. I'm a home chef and a baker. Today I'm gonna bake the last minute plum cake. Yeah, you heard it right, the last minute plum cake. Watch the complete video to know why I'm calling it the last minute plum cake. I'm going to soak all the dry fruits. It's called instant soaking. Now I'm adding the cranberry, some black raisin, candied orange peel, dried plum chopped, and yes, the favorite Tutti Frutti. Candied ginger, the dried one. This is the most important part of the plum cake. 30 ml of rum. I'm adding another 30 ml of rum. After adding everything into the pan, I'll switch on the induction. Cook for 3-4 minutes. That will be enough. Keep checking the consistency. If you want to make it non-alcoholic, just avoid the rum. You can use plain water instead of rum and use juice of 1 lemon. Yeah, we are all set. You can check the consistency. Now we have to let it cool down till the room temperature. I'm adding the spice mix. This is a homemade spice mix. I have used nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon. I have dry roasted all the items and made it the powder. In a big bowl, I am adding unsalted butter. Now I am adding the brown sugar. I'm adding the Blackjack. This is homemade, but you can easily get in the supermarket also. Now we have to mix everything. You have to just combine. You don't need to mix too much. You have to use the cut and fold method and combine them well. I'm adding the instant soaked dry fruits, some almond and some cashew chopped. I'm adding 30 ml more black rum. This is completely optional. So now I have to beat the egg white This is the same like 4 egg whites. So totally it will take 3 to 4 minutes. It should stand. This is how you know your egg whites are done. Now I'll add these egg whites gradually in a small part. And you have to fold lightly, very lightly. And why we have done this process, mixing egg whites separately, it will give your cake the fluffiness and it will make it very light. I have lined my 8-inch cake tin with butter paper. Now I am going to pour my mixer into the tin.
Wow! Definitely, it's worth a try. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it, comment your thoughts about it, and subscribe to the channel and help us grow. Thank you.
Wow.